Hi, it's nice to meet you. I'm Emma.
Hi, Emma. I'm Jack. Nice to meet you, too.
So, Jack, do you come to this cafe often?
Not really. It's my first time, actually. How about you?
I come here every Saturday morning. I love their coffee. What about you? What do you usually drink?
I'm more of a tea person. But today I decided to try their cappuccino. It looks good.
Oh, you'll like it. It's my favorite too. By the way, how do you like the weather today?
It's perfect, sunny, but not too hot. I love this kind of weather.
Me too. It makes me want to spend the whole day outside. Do you have any plans for today?
I'm just relaxing after a busy week. Maybe read a book later. And you?
I'm meeting a friend in the afternoon, but for now, I just want to enjoy my coffee and the quiet.
Sounds great. I always like quiet places to think. So, what do you do for work?
I'm a graphic designer. I create logos and websites. What about you?
I work in marketing. I help companies promote their products online.
That's interesting. Marketing must be challenging.
It is, but also fun. You have to be creative.
Definitely. Creativity is important in both our jobs.
Absolutely. So, do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I love painting and hiking. What about you?
I enjoy playing guitar and cooking.
Nice. Maybe you can cook for me one day.
Haha, maybe. I'm still learning, but I try.
Well, Jack, it was really nice talking to you. I hope we meet again soon.
Same here, Emma. Have a great day.
Hey, Jack, weekend is coming.
Yeah, finally. Any plans?
I think I'll just relax at home. Maybe watch some Netflix.
Nice. Anything good to watch?
I'm starting a new series. It's about detectives. Super exciting.
Oh, cool. I love crime shows.
And you? What's your plan?
I'm going hiking on Saturday. Need to get some fresh air.
Wow, where?
There's a small mountain nearby. Not too hard, just perfect for a lazy guy like me.
I should go hiking too, but I'm too lazy.
Come with me next time.
Maybe if you carry me?
What about Sunday?
Brunch with friends, then probably shopping.
Classic weekend.
Totally. What about you?
Guitar practice and cooking.
You and your cooking again.
Hey, one day I'll open a restaurant.
And I'll be your first customer. So, lazy weekend or active weekend?
Bit of both. Balance is the secret.
True, relax, have fun, enjoy life.
That's the plan!
See you Monday then.
Can't wait. Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe. See you next episode.
Hey Jack, what's your favorite movie?
Oh, good question. Let me think.
Come on, you must have a favorite.
I guess The Avengers. I love superhero movies.
Classic. Who's your favorite superhero?
Iron Man, for sure. He's funny and super smart.
True, I like Spider-Man. He's cool and young.
Good choice. Do you watch a lot of movies?
Not really. I'm more into TV shows now.
Oh, like what?
Crime shows and comedies. I just finished Friends again.
No way. I love Friends.
Who's your favorite character?
Joey, of course. He's hilarious.
Haha, I like Chandler. His jokes are so bad. They're good.
Totally. So, TV shows or movies?
TV shows. I like long stories.
I prefer movies. Quick and fun.
Do you go to the cinema?
Sometimes. But Netflix is easier.
Same. Popcorn at home is cheaper too.
Haha, that's true.
One day, we should watch a movie together.
Deal! But only if you choose popcorn.
Always popcorn. Both laugh.
So, what's your plan for tonight?
Maybe start a new show. Any recommendations?
Yeah, I'll text you my list.
Thanks for watching.
Subscribe and see you next time.
Hey, Jack, I'm hungry.
Me too. Let's talk about food. That will help, right?
So, what's your favorite food?
Easy. Pizza. Always pizza.
Classic. What's your favorite topping?
Pepperoni and extra cheese. What about you?
I love pasta. Spaghetti, lasagna, ravioli. I could eat pasta every day.
Haha, Italian food fan. I respect that.
Totally. What about dessert?
Chocolate cake. No question.
Oh, yes, chocolate is life.
You know what? Now I'm more hungry.
Same. Should we go eat something?
After we finish talking, yes.
Do you like cooking?
Sometimes I can cook pasta and omelets, very basic.
Better than nothing. I'm bad at cooking. I burn everything.
Jack, ha ha ha, I'll teach you someday.
Deal. What's the weirdest food you ever tried?
Snails in France.
No way.
True story. And they were actually good.
Wow, I'm not that brave.
Come on, food is an adventure.
Haha, I'll stick to pasta, thank you.
So, pizza party one day?
Absolutely, with chocolate cake for dessert.
Perfect plan.
Thanks for watching.
See you next episode.
Jack, do you remember your childhood?
Of course, I was a crazy little kid. Laugh.
Same here. What's your funniest childhood memory?
I once tried to ride my dog like a horse.
No way, what happened?
He ran, I fell, and my mom screamed.
That's hilarious. I remember once, I painted the walls with crayons.
Classic. Were your parents angry?
Very, but they kept the drawings for years, left
That's cute. What was your favorite toy?
a teddy bear named Mr. Fluffy.
Ha ha. I had a robot. I wanted it to fight aliens.
Kids have the best imagination.
Totally. I believed monsters lived under my bed.
Same. I used to sleep with the lights on.
Childhood was simple. Playing outside, cartoons, ice cream.
And no homework.
Best part!
Do you miss being a kid?
Sometimes. No stress, just fun.
But being an adult has its advantages.
True. Like eating ice cream for dinner. Laugh.
Haha, you're still a kid inside.
Always. Never lose your inner child.
Thanks for watching.
See you in the next episode.